Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today, we're going to be talking about NIO stock. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investing journey together. So, today we're going to be talking about NIO stock. And if you don't know what NIO stock is, it's basically an upcoming EV company based out of China. It produces electric vehicle cars, luxury ones, almost similar to Tesla, right? It's basically branding itself as the Tesla of China. And NIO has been getting a lot of attention lately from investors. It's been getting a lot of attention from big time analysts. And there's a variety of reasons for this. First, the whole EV market in itself is a very valuable market. It's growing like crazy and it continues to gain more value every single day. You have stocks like NIO, Tesla, Workhorse, Hyliion. All these EV companies are getting a lot of attention from big time investors. They know the value. They know that the whole EV market is expanding like crazy, and they know that there's going to be a high demand for it. Overall, going back to NIO, we're going to analyze its 5-year chart very quickly. This thing just IPO'd, guys, September 12th of 2018. It is up 254% ever since its IPO. But guys, look at the 1-year chart. It is up 1,684%. The growth on NIO is absolutely insane. Currently sitting at a $23 billion market cap. Obviously not as big as Tesla with almost a $500 billion market cap, but NIO is a lot newer of a company than Tesla is. And NIO's coming out swinging. It's getting analyst upgrades, and it's getting a lot of bullish sentiment. It has a lot of bullish sentiment behind its name. And some interesting news did drop today about NIO. Not only did they double their deliveries in August, but for Q3, they actually saw a 154% increase in delivery of their cars. But what does this mean overall? I mean, obviously, it's not as good as Tesla's numbers. So, I mean, obviously, you know, I'm not comparing it to that sense. But guys, the main key fact that I want people to take away from this is NIO is growing. It's expanding. NIO's already expanding to Europe. And the fact that they increased their deliveries by 154% goes to show that NIO is a growth stock. It's continuing its growth and it continues to expand. And that's the type of company people want to be investing in. Like I said, guys, look at the 1-year chart. It is up 1,600%. Like, you really can't top that growth. And the cool thing about NIO, guys, is the company's going to continue to grow at this fast pace. A lot of people are super bullish on NIO. A lot of people are super bullish on the whole EV market in itself. And NIO is a newer company, only has a few cars out, and it's going to continue to expand its car market. I know that it's going to start rolling into more battery-powered kind of vehicles in the future. That's kind of hoping that it's going to take the same route as Tesla. But I cannot stress this enough, guys. Please buy the dip on NIO. Buy NIO stock. It is worth the investment. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But NIO is a huge growth stock, probably the biggest growth stock of 2020. And if you guys are looking at it from a long-term perspective, the EV market has a lot to grow. NIO company has a lot to grow. This thing is surrounded by a lot of big-time investors, has a lot of bullish sentiment behind its name. It always is getting analyst upgrades all the time, because people know that NIO has a value. It has a value to offer to investors and its customers. And the cool thing about NIO is, even looking at all their vehicles, they're nice electric vehicles, but they're also very cheap compared to Tesla cars. I know that Tesla is rolling out a $25,000 vehicle. And the reason I did this is because companies like NIO and all these companies that are coming out after Tesla are producing cheaper cars. I think it was Tesla's way of saying, like, I have to be more competitive with these people upcoming. And the cool thing is, NIO is getting a lot of analyst attention as well. Even an analyst coming out the other day and saying that NIO's technology on their cars is probably far superb to none. Even saying that NIO is going to become an iconic brand one day. When it's getting this much attention and this much bullish sentiment behind its name, there's no reason why people should not be picking up this stock. The stock continues to expand more and more every single day, continues to grow its market cap, and it's got a respectable name on itself. It's got a huge brand and a respectable brand. And I know that NIO is going to continue to expand in the way of Tesla. I mean, people are already saying NIO is going to be a $100 stock. That's already a lot, guys. And people are just so bullish about the stock, and there's no reason why people should not buy the dip on NIO. Buy the dip on NIO, guys. It is worth the overall investment. NIO is going to be growing for a very long time. And as the EV market continues to expand more and more every single day, NIO is going to be expanding with it. It's going to continue to grow its market cap, and it's going to continue to grow its consumer base. But with that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you guys think of NIO stock. Do you think NIO stock is the #1 pick right now for the EV company? Do you guys think that NIO is still a good investment? Do you think NIO is worth the long-term investment? I'm very curious to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a great day.